Yes,
Salvation is like this.
ayan.
Salvation.
Parang
Okay?
ano tayo, naka-freedom, no?
Okay. Yung found, ganyan. Found. Parang letter F, tapos tumaas lang. Found.
Ay, ang cute.
Tapos, no one else. No one else. Okay? Tapos, and there is no other. Medyo pareho sila. No other. Name, alam na natin yung name. Under. Tapos yung heaven. Yan. Heaven. Okay? Given to mankind. Mankind kasi parang people din siya. No? Sa ganun din. By which we, tuturo natin yung dalawang parang ah, shoulder, no? Ganyan. We must be saved. So yung action for salvation and save the same. Okay? Okay? Sige, i-try natin gawin yung action words. Sige. Acts 4:12, salvation is found in no one else, and there is no other name, sorry, no other name under heaven given to mankind by which we must be saved. Acts 4:12. Okay, gusto niyo ulitin pa natin isa pa?
Sige, Teacher Beth.
Sige, sige, isa pa. Acts 4:12, salvation is found in no one else, and there is no other name under heaven given to mankind by which we must be saved.
Hmm.
Okay, Acts 4:12. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Teacher Beth.